When one of our soldiers is injured on the battlefield, we want to provide them with the best care. Getting them the highest level of care as quickly as possible is the best way to gain the medical expertise and resources that are desperately needed. Timing is critical. Location is a factor. It is priority that our servicemen and our servicewomen remain safe. In future conflicts, there may not be a guarantee of air superiority. There may not be a guarantee of using manned air assets to move injured soldiers as quickly as we would like. Unpiloted aircraft can be used, but these need to be made safe for transporting injured soldiers. At CRG, we are working to develop a solution for this problem. Since 1997, Cornerstone Research Group has been a high-technology company delivering products and services to our aerospace, defense, and industrial customers. Here, we are ensuring that aircraft transporting injured patients get to their destination without causing further injuries along the way. To do this, the aircraft needs to fly smoothly and safely while getting soldiers out of the field and into proper medical care. We developed a flight control software that prevents unsafe flying maneuvers for both piloted and unpiloted aircrafts. The software puts limits on bank angle, altitude, and maneuvers that could be harmful to the patient. Parameters can be adjusted real-time to accommodate for patients' condition, such as their oxygen levels. With this system, we can improve patient outcomes for injured warfighters so they get the care they need. This system can save lives.